What is this?
Rock hard house.
Yeah.
What's poppin'? Brand new chop, just got it.
Welcome back to the channel, guys.
And welcome if you're new.
Yes, to the new people.
Today we're doing something a little bit different.
Yeah.
So by different I mean culturally different too, even though we're still in Ireland.
So we've come down to a place called Victor's Way. It's a sculpture park, I suppose, if that's how you want to call it.
It's like an Indian sculpture garden.
It's in the middle of the Wicklow Mountains, and yeah, it's we've heard great things about it, and it's a kind of like a spiritual, tranquil place. You know, you'd be quiet and let everybody kind of find their spirituality and stuff like that. So
We're not going to be doing too much talking during it.
no, but we're going to show you how amazing it is, because we have seen photos of some of the sculptures and they're out of this world. Administration is €5 fee to get in, which isn't too bad, and you get to walk around yourself. They do say it's kind of not for kids,
Yeah, so
just because people come to kind of find themselves, I suppose. So maybe we should go take a look around.
Let's go.
This is Lord Ganesh. He is the most popular deity of the Indian pantheon, and he's currently worshipped by more than 600 million Hindus all over the world. His paddy hat, Celtic earring, as Lee pointed out. Celtic design, and then he has a little rat friend here. This guy here is a snake charmer, and so is his little rat friend. Maybe we'll call him a mouse. Just seems nicer.
Yeah, I think it probably is a mouse. Elephants are like supposedly afraid of mice, aren't they? So it symbolises like something. I don't know.
Like tranquility between them or something.
Maybe, yeah.
This is very true. This could be very.
He's on his phone though. Look at him.
Oh, he's on his Mac. Look, it's on his laptop. That is hilarious.
It's really cool though.
It is. Trying the bongos with your new friend.
He's listening to a fucking Walkman.
A Sony Walkman at that.
That's what I mean, yeah, that's how I knew it was a Walkman.
So this woman is like part woman, part
Snake.
and then her like it's like a lizard claw or something. Oh, she don't. There is snakes coming out of her
hair.
But like, it's just a bit weird, isn't it? Like what's going on?
Yeah, there's snakes in her hair. /12001.
This place is a bit strange.
Very strange. I can
Like,
see why they don't want kids here.
Yeah, it's not for kids, really.
No, it's really not.
Statues, like, they have a lot of meaning behind them when you read what they symbolise and stuff, but it's just a bit like,
The statues themselves are quite intense.
But
Just for lack of a better word, like quite intense.
Yeah. But again, when you read
What it means.
it makes sense if that makes sense. But yeah.
It's real nice walking through the forest though.
It's a lovely little, like, what they call a meditation walk. So we're just walking through the forest and there's a statue each along the way.
It's pretty nice.
It's pretty nice. wonder what like. I feel like it symbolises like he is split between wanting to die or not. Like, just part of him trying to hold himself back. Maybe.
Maybe.
Interesting. Lie down in the forest recliner. Let your feet rest on the footrest. Make sure your heels hang out a little. Adjust your head to your height so only your head touches the rest. Now the shoulders and back should be lying flat, motionless in the recliner. Once in position, your hands by your side, take a deep breath and close your eyes. Gradually become aware of the whole body. So you stay there for 5 minutes, so I'll come back. How do you feel?
Actually feels really weird.
I'm only tiny.
Move the headrest then. Put your heels off the end of it, sis. Oh, 100%. That's why I got up, because I would have otherwise.
Now make sure you hold my hand at all times, okay? You don't want you falling in. That's the one that you see in all the photos all the time. That is unbelievable. Look at that.
Class.
Isn't it? I think the water makes it. Like, if it was in clear water, I don't think it would have looked as dramatic, I suppose. There's more. Oh my god, you wouldn't even be able to tell the difference.
No need.
Oh my god. That is amazing.
There's eyeballs too.
Oh wow!
His eyelids are like
Really close, yeah. He's known as the fasting Buddha.
He's a nice beard.
He does have a nice beard. And his ears stretched too. It looks like you.
That literally was me years ago. I was that skinny too.
That'd be you with your bun when your hair's long again.
It was me. I had a bun, I had a beard, I had a skinny belly.
Look at his Nokia phone in the back of him.
All of them seem to have like modern touches to them. Like every one of them had like a Walkman, a computer, a phone, something that's kept in touch with like modern aspects. So that's 2002, that one. A little lizard too.
So supposedly what we're just looking at now, they're meant to represent Buddhist burial mounds, or stupas, I think is what they're called.
Yeah.
They're pretty cool. They're like a bell, aren't they? Kind of
Really
like
cool.
a bell. Yeah. Have a look.
They all seem to have like mathematical formulas, or like every one of them seems to be something to do with maths. Every one of them. N, F, Q. These are all mathematical formulas.
I wonder what they mean though.
Pretty cool.
So it's actually an awful lot bigger than I expected it to be.
This is kind of like Ephesus all over again. I was expecting Ephesus to be a certain size. When I got there, it looked tiny, but when you go through it, it is huge. This is the exact same thing.
You just keep walking and walking.
When we got here, it looked tiny, and then we've been walking for about 1 kilometre now, at least.
Yeah. But just new parts just keep appearing, and now we're by a lake with little statues in it, and
It's really, really cool.
it's pretty cool. Definitely worth a visit if you're up the Wicklow Mountains. So this is Shiva.
Shiva.
So who Lee's getting a photo of. She represents the maturing adult who is driven to solve the quandary of life. Well, you just came across the coolest finger. Look at that. Well, it's a bit far away now, but this is so cool.
The detail in it. Create or die. Kind of represents a YouTube channel. If you don't create something, the channel's going to die.
Fair point.
This is about YouTube.
The wisdom, Charlie.
Feel wise. That's a lie. They're really cool, really comfy to wear that.
Is it? Oh, it is actually. It's comfy, isn't it?
Very.
You do want people to see all day. So we were kind of thinking at the very beginning of the video when we walked through the passage to come in.
It looks like a female body part.
Yeah, but it's almost, as I said to Lee, it's almost like it's like a birth canal, and it's almost like a passage into, what did you say, rebirth?
Yeah, you're coming to find yourself, you're being reborn essentially.
Because here is where you come to find yourself. It's spiritual, it's tranquil. And we were just wondering if that's what this, like the symbolic, like
symbolicness of it was.
Yeah.
Right? That's not symbolism of it.
The symbolism. That's what we thought the symbolism of it was. So yeah, it's a weird one. So that was Victor's Way. It's somewhere I definitely recommend
Going to.
Yeah, rent a car, come out from Dublin. It's only about an hour, I'd say, from Dublin City.
Yeah.
Give or take.
You can also do the likes of Loch Tay while you're up here as well.
Yeah, and go to Roundwood, go to Glendalough is very close.
Very, very close, yeah. You can do a lot in one day here.
Yeah, you can actually.
Well, you might need 2 days actually.
Well, it took us probably about 2 hours to go through that, give or take an hour and a half, 2 hours.
But we weren't stopping, we were just continuously going.
So you definitely need to give yourself time. We're back at the car.
So, as always, like, subscribe, notifications.
Please. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.